Today, we're going to build a TIE Interceptor using 6 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This is actually a combination of a few different TIE fighters I've seen in micro scale, but what we're going to do is we're going to start with this T-bar piece, and we've got that center bar of my T-bar. Well, on that center bar, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate with open stud in dark bluish gray, and I'm going to put that plate onto my bar piece, center bar piece like this. And now I like to send it all the way back, just slide it all the way back so those wings are sticking out as far as possible. But you can kind of leave as much of that bar exposed as you want, because this plate is going to be our cockpit, and that little bar kind of acts as the canopy window to the front of the TIE fighter. So however much you want to expose, you can expose. But I like to do all the way back so those wings are just really sticking out as much as possible in micro scale. Now to make those wings, what I'm going to do is grab this Darth Vader helmet bottom piece. This is the bottom piece of Darth Vader's helmet. Now, if I were building the minifigure, I'd be putting the neck pin here, and then I'd put Darth Vader's head on top here. Well, where I put Darth Vader's head, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate with open stud again, but this time in light bluish gray. Now I'm just going to put that plate into Darth Vader's helmet so it sticks in where the head would be. And now I'm going to grab that hole, plate with the hole in it, and slide it onto the sidebar of my T-bar here, right next to my cockpit, to create one wing of my TIE Interceptor. Now I'm going to do that same thing again. Darth Vader's helmet, open stud round plate, put them together, and then slide it onto that sidebar. And here I've got a micro scale TIE Interceptor.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.